What's going on, everybody? Okay, so pretty much, I hope you guys open up your TradingView account on tradingview.com. This is what we're going to be analyzing on, mainly because on MT4, you could analyze off of it, but at the same time, the prices and everything are not as smooth, and the charts are not as smooth as it is on tradingview.com. And you will get like a better analysis and everything analyzing on this platform compared to MetaTrader 4. Okay? So, and it is free to actually enroll on this right here, and you can also publish your analysis and everything, just like many other people, on this platform right here also. So, the main thing that I'm going to speak about on this video is identifying your trend, as far as if it's a bullish trend overall or if it's a bearish trend, and we go from there. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to think about when you actually get on the charts and everything before you actually start even doing anything, before you put in any kind of trades every single week. Identifying what type of trend are you in, what kind of market are you in. Are you in a buyer's market or are you in a seller's market? Okay, and the moving averages that I use is right here, 8 EMA and 21 SMA. You install those by right clicking, you go on insert indicator, you type in things simple or a moving average. There it is, moving average. And exponential, you just type in expon. This right here. Okay, so once you modify that and choose the period that you want to use, I do recommend the 8 EMA and 21 SMA though, mainly because it gives you a trend bias as far as what kind of market that you're in and what type of trend that the market is trying to push. Okay. So once you actually get on the charts, the first thing you have to identify is what kind of market you're in. I go on the highest time frame first, start from the monthly chart. And whenever red is over blue, that means a downtrend. Whenever blue is over red, that means uptrend. For instance, right here, blue is over red, uptrend. Red is over blue, downtrend. Okay? So see on a monthly chart, it's still considering a downtrend. And then you just break it down. Break it down as you go. Red is still over blue, red is still over blue. There's been a little bit of retrace right here, strong support. You just break it down, break it down, break it down. Yeah, so overall, still a downtrend. It's like a lot of consolidation within this area. So far the overall trend is still down, and it's trying to push up based off of this point right here, just off of consolidation, meaning that consolidation is pretty much a point that the market ranges as far as it's not trying to pass a certain price. So everything's based off price. So pretty much whenever the market hit like around this price, which is like around 106,300 or 105, the market tries not to even pass it. So it bounces down there and then shoots back up. So you can consider that strong support. Okay? And the next thing to identify also is in a bullish market, which is an uptrend, in a bearish market, which is a downtrend. In a bullish market, you will see a lot of these right here. Higher highs, which is these right here. All higher highs. So as the market is trending up, the previous high is a lot higher than the new high. Actually is a lot higher than the previous high. As you can see, it went up, pulled back, went up, pulled back, went up, pulled back, and went up again. So like these are all right here are called higher highs, and you'll see that on a uptrend. On a downtrend, you'll see the complete opposite. You'll see lower lows. On a downtrend, you see lower lows. Uptrend, you see higher highs. Okay? Right here is based off of support. So you So like right now, you can't really say too much because the market is pretty much consolidating. It's very indecisive on what it wants what it wants to do next as far as trend wise. Okay, this right here is a peak. Okay, so always try to identify what kind of market that you're in first. Okay, remember these moving averages give you the trend bias. Okay, and all these are swings. All these swings right here are pretty much the big consolidation that are on the monthly chart, which is on the 4-hour chart right now. So when you're identifying, always go from the higher time frame. Always base your analysis off either the hour chart or the 4-hour chart, and your overall trend. You could look at on the bigger chart, which is like the monthly chart, just to kind of see the overview of everything. From there, you break it down. The lowest chart that you analyze on is the 1-hour chart. Okay. Then we can go from there. Next, on next video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to identify your support point and your resistance points. Okay, that's going to help you as far as what the market is going to not try to pass and what is going to try to break, or where it's going to try to have like a lot of indecision to the next point that it wants to reach. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the next video.